Alrighty, let's take us a ride here in a nice 1951 Ford Woody.
Woody got wood?
That's it, man. There it is. You know, these things, man, they take, you know, forever to build and a lot of money, man.
There's only a few guys that do the woodwork anymore. And this is one of the famous guys, I guess, out of San Pedro.
Yeah, Chris Messano.
Yep, and the wood is amazing. But it's expensive, probably 40, 50 grand to do the wood on this car.
Oh yeah, and then, you know, it's got a nice Ramjet 350 engine.
Crate motor.
Yep, 700 R4 tranny there. And, you know, it's got AC, power rack and pinion. Oh man, it's got a lot of stuff here, you know? Ford 9-inch rear end.
Wow, it shifts nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice responsive shift. Yeah, that 9-inch rear end in the back. The
Yep.
ZZ4, not ZZ4, but the Ramjet 350's got fuel injection like a rail. It looks almost like the early Corvette fuel injection.
Yeah.
And it's got 4-wheel disc brakes, power disc brakes.
A lot of Dakota digital happening here.
Yep, it's got air ride, full air ride on all four corners.
Yep.
Got a high-end stereo. It's got a built-in subwoofer in the back. I mean, the upholstery in this thing, it had to have been 10, 15 grand. It's
oh yeah. You know, it's suede and stuff like that.
It goes pretty good.
Yeah. No, it's got good power. Wood doesn't weigh as much.
Brakes work too.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Not bad, man.
It's like a black metallic too. I think my Ford Flex was that color.
Yeah, you know what? And you know, yeah, that tuxedo black metallic. I think that's what they call it. I mean,
I feel like a lowrider in here, man. You sit so low.
Oh yeah.
You put your arm up, it's like you're like cholo, lean like a cholo.
Well, that's it. Yeah, that's when you got the. That's why you got these seats in here, right on the ground.
Arms up.
But they're power seats though.
Yeah, man, it's got power everything, man. Power windows, power seats. Tilt wheel. I mean, it's just the money that was spent on this thing. Undercarriage looks like, you know, like showroom.
Oh yeah, I like, you know, I bet, like, you know, we've kind of figured out. I bet there's 125 grand into this car.
Oh yeah, and probably maybe 1,000 miles since it was done.
Yeah.
It just sat, you know, sat a lot.
Yep, that's true.
Pretty cool, man. So you can take it to the Woody show, come home with a trophy.
Yeah.
Take your family with you, take the dog with you, whatever you want.
Yeah, it's a nice cruiser.
Come up here and take some pictures.
All righty.
All right, check out this 1951 Ford Woody. The real deal. This car's half wood. Really nice wood too. All completely restored, you know, ground up restoration. Crazy money spent, probably over $125,000 in receipts. It's got a Ramjet 350 in it, 700R overdrive transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end. It's got leather and suede interior. Custom high-end stereo system in there. I mean, just all the custom work that was done to this thing is incredible. I mean, it's like brand new. It was hardly ever used. It's got custom rear bucket seats. That is not a roll bar, if you're wondering. That's like a little, they were gonna take their dogs with them. So they had a little cage that would strap to the back of that to keep the dogs from coming up front, but it is removable. It slides down into the floor. You can put a couple of plugs over those if you want. If you look back there, it's got a built-in subwoofer for the stereo. But just incredible amount of work done to this car. You know, Dakota digital dash, vintage air conditioning, tilt steering column. Looks like maybe a Flaming River or I Did It, something like that. You know, even the AC vents, really cool. But of course, all the chrome was redone as well. All the glass is new. It's got that custom front windshield. Get rid of the chrome piece that goes in the middle. And 51's got the double humps there. You know, 50's got the single. But really nice looking paint color too. It's like a black metallic, you know. I think it's a Ford color actually too. And also the name on the back of the windshield here, or window here, is the guy that did the wood. Pretty famous guy out of San Pedro. It was at the wood shop 4 to 5 years. That's what it takes to do these. You got to take really good care of them. You got to put them inside, you know. And you got to, you know, when you wash them and everything like that, be really careful and dry them real nice. Don't let the termites get to it. Pretty cool car though. Here's the power plant in the 51 Woody. These are crate motors, man. They're awesome. It's a Ramjet 350, 345 horsepower. It's got a few polished goodies on there, polished intake manifold, fuel injection. You see that? It's got a fuel pressure gauge there. It's got that front runner system too. Those are about 3 or 4 grand. Serpentine setup. So you got power rack and pinion steering, air conditioning, 4-wheel power disc brakes, full air ride around the whole car. Just really cool. Even the hood's finished off real nice. I'll let you listen to it back here. Got a nice little rumble to it. It's pretty cool. And that custom license plate comes with it if you live in California. The wooden one. Let me just show you underneath real quick too. Yeah, real clean. Got the full 4-bar setup. You know, stainless fuel tank. So everything's brand new. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. Give us a ring. Be happy to give you the rundown on the car, or if you want to come out and see it in person. Thanks for watching.